Guys, I am Raghav Nagpal and today I'm making video on really interesting topic. In this video I'll be discussing about few of the companies where you can apply for internships and full-time roles for specifically focused on for the from the freshers point of view, and I'll be discussing for 2020 graduates, for 2021 graduates and 2022 graduates as well. So right now, final year students are 2022 graduates because 2021's graduates are already passed out from their colleges, and few of them, like several, like each and every year there are like thousands of engineering students who are like usually unplaced from the कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स बिकॉज रीजन बिहाइंड दोस थिंग्स इज लाइक बहुत सारे प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस के अंदर कंपनीज विजिट ही नहीं करती. लाइक कॉलेजेस आर अवेलेबल इन द स्मॉल टाउन, प्राइवेट कॉलेज अवेलेबल इन स्मॉल टाउन, और गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अवेलेबल इन स्मॉल टाउन. वहां पे कंपनीज विजिट नहीं करती, लाइक अलोन फैंग कंपनी सर्विस भी नहीं विजिट करती. तो इस वीडियो के अंदर अगर आप 2020 पास आउट हो, 2021 पास आउट हो, या फिर 2022 में पास आउट होने वाले हो, या 2023 में पास आउट होने वाले हो, तो ये आपके लिए वीडियो है. और इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना. और मैं इस वीडियो के अंदर विल मूव ग्रेजुअली फ्रॉम फैंग कंपनीज टू सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज, सो दैट if you are not like genuinely like genius in DSA, you can still crack the companies and still get decent package and can start your career in IT field. So make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel if you like these kinds of videos. Like I'll probably upload few videos a week about few of the companies that are recruiting right now, few of the companies that have vacancies for freshers and for like 1 or 2 years profile as well. So make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. So if I start, like I am starting from software development engineering internship in Amazon. So this is the job ID is 1688605, and one more thing to remember is that each and every link is available in the description box, and details are also provided in the description box. So go to the description box and just do not waste your time in searching on the internet whether which company is offering seat and which company has vacancies, what company is like recruiting right now. Just subscribe to my channel and few other channels, and then just install LinkedIn in your mobile, make your profiles, make your different connections, and then just go in the description box and just click on the link and fill up the forms and prepare your DS and prepare your like the frameworks and the interview preparation. Spend time on the interview preparation. In the end, at the end of the day, you'll get chance for the you'll get opportunity for the interview, but make sure that you are not taking like several attempts to crack a single interview, because for the off campus students, they are like, अगर आप 2020 या 2021 पास आउट और अनप्लेस्ड हो, तो अब आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी कंपनीज के लिए इंटरव्यू ढूंढने में. पहले अगर आप किसी एक अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी से, डिसेंट यूनिवर्सिटी से, प्राइवेट से, तो आपको कॉलेज ला के देता था इंटरव्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज. जैसे आपको एप्टीट्यूड राउंड क्लियर करना होता था, देन आपको एक टेक्निकल राउंड क्लियर करना होता था, बोथ टेस्ट, एंड देन आपके पास एक इंटरव्यू होता था, और टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू, देन कल्चरल इंटरव्यू एंड HR राउंड्स. सो दैट वॉज द प्रोसेस व्हेन यू वर इन द कैंपसेज. बट राइट नाउ अगर आप अनप्लेस्ड हो, तो आपके पास एक काफ़ी बड़ा चैलेंज होगा, और वो चैलेंज यही है कि अब आपको जल्दी से इंटरव्यू के लिए चांसेस नहीं मिलेंगे. और क्योंकि कंपनीज जो हैं सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज, वो एक कलेक्टिव फॉर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट एप्टीट्यूड राउंड्स कंडक्ट करती हैं, और उसके अंदर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं. Not like campus where your 160 and 200 candidates are participating, and then companies recruiting in taking 10 interns out of those 200 students. So just that, taking that in account, make sure that you are preparing well for the interviews. And there are several videos on different channels on the internet where you can like learn how to crack those interviews. And also just make sure that you follow me on each and every social media platform as well. So now, first thing is software development engineer internship in the Amazon, which is focused for the candidates who are like, who speak fluent English, who are confident in what they learnt in their graduation, and also for the 2022 pass outs or 2023 pass outs, not for the 2020 or 2021 pass outs, because for 2020 and 2021 pass outs, they have several different options. But this internship is only for the candidates who are still studying in the colleges, who are still studying in any year of engineering. Make sure that you can check this out. I won't explain each and everything in this video. The description is mentioned on the website, and I can like you should be able to understand description on your own. If you still get doubt like whether what is the process and what is everything, so you can just contact me in the description comment section. But for now I'm leaving all these things, and then you can just go ahead, read the description, and then ask your questions in the comment section. I'll reply you over there. So that's the better medium of contacting me and resolving your doubts. Also, you can ask me on my Instagram at the rate Instanagpal, where I can like I genuinely reply in few minutes. So I'm all the time active on there as well, except 9 to 5, 9 to 6. I am after 6 p.m. I am always active over there. So you can just, if your concern is genuine, I'll also provide my contact number. You can call, talk to me on that. So just go ahead and read the description on this and then apply for it. And I can assure you, like, thousands of students are going to apply, and this is for pan India internship. And probably internship Amazon like offers 2 or 3 kinds of internship, and the major 2 kinds of internship are 6 month internship and 2 months internship. 2 months internship starts in summer, for the summer internship, where it starts in May and June and July, and other are 6 month internships which start in January or February, goes till July. So for this internship you can just apply over here, and then you'll find the next process on your mail. Now the second company is ServiceNow, and this is like one of the top companies, like coming out like the hot companies in the market right now. So what I mean by hot companies is like recruiting very fast, rapidly, and like growing very rapidly. Offers, like the clients are Fortune 500 companies, serve approximately 80% of Fortune 500 companies, and we are on the 2020 list of Fortune world's most admired companies. So काफ़ी अच्छी कंपनी है ServiceNow, काफ़ी अच्छे एम्प्लॉइज़ के रिव्यूज़ हैं, और ये अभी इंडिया के लिए हायर कर रहे हैं, एंड ये फ्रेशर्स को हायर कर रहे हैं. बैड यूआई डिज़ाइन है लाइक ये नहीं होना चाहिए, बट स्टिल यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 0 to 2+ years of experience with Java or similar object oriented language. So 0 years is like if you are fresher, if 2021 pass out. This ServiceNow software engineer profile is only for 2021 pass outs. And also, like, you can also read the description, and also you can check out the qualifications. Like, you should be able to understand at least one modern framework, which is like at least Angular, React or Vue, at least one framework, and then understand you should have passion of JavaScript and the web as a platform, reusability and componentization. So just go ahead in the description and apply for this if you are looking for software engineering profile, or like if you're interested in this profile. Now the next is full stack development intern, HyperVerge, और ये कंपनी 2022 पास आउट्स को 2022 पास आउट्स में 10 इंटर्न्स को ढूंढ रही है, और 10 इंटर्न्स को 4 to 6 वीक्स की इंटर्नशिप के लिए ढूंढ रही है. उसके बाद ऑन द परफॉर्मेंस बेसिस पीपीओ प्रोवाइड करेगी. तो पीपीओ इज ए प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर्स. स्टाइपेंड है फॉर 6 वीक्स इन टर्मशिप फॉर स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट बी विलिंग टू अंडरगो 4 to 6 weeks of training from January to June 2022, and stipend per month is 35,000 rupees. It's very decent and very good stipend. Graduated in 2021 or 2022, so available for both 2021 and 2022, and are available for 6 month. at least 6 month के लिए आप अवेलेबल होने चाहिए, जिसके अंदर से आपको ट्रेनिंग देंगे 4 to 6 weeks. उसके बाद आपसे काम करवाएंगे, और उस काम के अंदर जैसे आप परफॉर्मेंस करोगे उसके हिसाब से आपको पीपीओ ऑफर करेंगे. आपको लाइक मीन स्टैक और मंथ स्टैक की नॉलेज है तो आप 100% इस कंपनी के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. और ये 10 मतलब वैकेंसीज हैं इनके पास, तो इस काफ़ी अच्छी बात है, लाइक आपका काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा चांस होगा. Now moving on to the next company, which is IBM, service based company, but actually for all the companies like IBM and then Amdocs and then Cognizant and after that Wipro, all these companies are well reputed companies, and if you are getting chance to start your career in IT field from these companies, it's actually very decent option. And so IBM is hiring for associate software engineer, and associate profiles are usually for the freshers only. So they are hiring for full-time positions. So that shows that you should not be 2022 pass out. So if you're 2020 pass out or 2021 pass out, apply for this, and everything is available here. So regarding technical and professional expertise, you can also read here, and then prefer technical and professional. And the criteria is you should have at least 6 CGPA in your graduation, and then you are good to go. You are eligible to apply for this. Now next company is Amdocs. So Amdocs is hiring for 2020 pass out. So make sure when you are going on this link and applying for Amdocs, I'll provide this link in the description, and it's hiring for associate graduate for its Pune branch. And if you are 2020 pass out, doesn't matter from any company, any college, you have 60% with no year down. Yes, like you should not have gap in your education, and you should at least have 60%, 6 CGP in your graduation. You are eligible to apply for this company. And it's like if you're not very like meticulous in anything like that data structures and algorithm, and you are not able to solve competitive programming questions, these kinds of companies like MDocs and Wipro, Cognizant, IBM, TCS, these kinds of companies are pretty decent option, because they ask the basic stuff, and then gradually in your career you can progress, you can learn several things. So right now it's decent option, and you can always apply for these companies. So doesn't matter, while you are starting your career, it's always good to have options, right? But at least take doesn't matter what kind of company it is, unless they are offering like 2 years bond and very low salary, so that doesn't matter, that doesn't make sense at all. But if these companies are like offering you a chance to learn and then grow with the company, just join them, apply for this company. At least try to give interviews. The more the interviews you give, the more the better you will feel after the interview process, and then you'll have confidence to apply for more and more companies. Now company Cognizant, and it's hiring for campus hiring 2022, and if you are seeing the news, ये company hiring spree के ऊपर है. लाइक 2022 पास आउट्स के अंदर से कंपनी कह रही है कि हम 1 लाख इंजीनियर्स को हायर करेंगे और उनको ट्रेन करेंगे. सो लाइक जेंसी एलिवेट इनका एक प्रोग्राम है, और जेंसी एक इनका प्रोग्राम है. सो दिस इज फॉर जेंसी एलिवेट, और जेंसी एलिवेट के अंदर आपको 4 LPA पैकेज ऑफर कर रहे हैं. सो इन बाय द मंथ एंड यू विल गेट 27,000 in your bank account with 4 LPA package. So hiring starts by August 21, and like it's August 2021. It's August 2021. It's 28 August today. So it's everyone knows about the company Cognizant, and each and everyone who did their engineering, they always heard about the company Cognizant. So first round is skill based assessment, then technical round, then HR round, and then on the basis of your rounds, in your technical rounds, you will get the offer either Gency Elevate or Gency. So right now they have openings for Gency students. Each and everything is mentioned on the website. You can go ahead and check on the website. There is no criteria for any branch. If you are from chemical branch or any branch you are from, you can always apply for these kinds of companies. And the registration now process and everything is available on the website. Just look in the description box and just click on the link and apply for the Cognizant. Now next is Wipro Cloud Migration Developer. So this profile is very specific for DevOps and cloud people. Cloud Migration Developer की profile के लिए अगर आप ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं हो developer, if you are not a good developer, so you can always apply for Cloud Migration Developer. And this is also very good alternative for all software engineers who want to doesn't want to go in the headache of the development sector. They can always look out for the cloud vacancies and cloud developers vacancies, cloud migration developer vacancies. So now minimum work experience is 0 to 1 year. So this is available for freshers. If you are 2021 pass out, you can always apply for this. And these kinds of profile like cloud migration developer, these kinds of profiles are always looking for someone who can immediately join and start working with the company. So if you are 2022 pass out, you are not eligible to apply for this, because you still have 7 months or 8 months left in your engineering. And so cloud migration developer is a good profile, and Wipro company is offering this, and Wipro is very reputed company as well. So everything you'll find in the description box, each and everything. And I hope you like this video. I hope you understand few of the companies which I showed you on my display right now. So at least apply for few of these companies. If you are not graduated, at least apply for companies like Cognizant and TCS. Always apply for these companies, because like their interview process and the moment you give your first exam and till the job offer letter, the process is like, the process takes 3 or 4 months actually. So it's very slow process. But the company is like ServiceNow. If you are giving your technical test, and then the 2 days after you are giving your technical interview, 2 days after HR interview, in 1 week or 2 weeks you will eventually get your offer letter in your hand if you are selected. Otherwise you will get the email from the company that sorry, you are not selected, and please apply. We stored your data in our database, and then we'll contact you in future if you're well suited for any other profile. So these kinds of companies offers you offer letter in 2 weeks only. But the companies like Cognizant and TCS and Accenture, their process goes on for 3 or 4 months. So it's slow process, but IT career with. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. I am going to upload these kinds of video for all the freshers. मैं ऐसी वीडियोस काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपलोड करूँगा अपने चैनल के ऊपर 100%. सो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो. सारे के सारे लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर अवेलेबल हैं, सो आप वहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के अंदर. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. बाय.